Alright, this is NECO past question for the year 2020, and actually it's paper 3, which has to do with objective questions, and we have 50 questions to answer here. So I'm going to answer the questions, and at the same time I will be explaining the one that may seem difficult. Let's start with question 1. That says that which of the following is not a drawing material? So looking at the options, B is the right answer, which is a ruler. So a ruler is not a drawing material. Question 2 says that which of the following instruments can be used to join the point between C to C in the diagram below? The correct answer is French curves. French curves. So we use French curves to join irregular points together to get a perfect curve. Question 3 says that in lettering, the following guidelines must be adhered to, except that they should. The correct answer is they should be written between two bold lines. In lettering, we write the letters between two faint lines. So option B is the correct answer, which is written between two bold lines. So the letters are to be written between two faint lines. So take note of that. Question 4. The following provisions should be available in a drawing studio except sunshade. That is option A, except sunshade. Question 5. The type of line used for construction is option C is the correct answer. Thin continuous line is used for construction in technical drawing. Thin continuous line, that is option C. Question 6. Angle X and Y in the diagram below are supplementary. They are supplementary. So when you add them together, as you can see that the two angles are on a straight line. So when you add two angles in this way together, we say that those angles, and the result is 180 degree. You add them together, the result is 180 degree. So we say that those angles are supplementary angles. So angle X and angle Y degrees are supplementary angles. Question 7. The shaded portions A, B, and C of the circle below respectively are: A is a sector, B is a quadrant, and C is a segment. So looking at the set of options that we have, the correct answer is that is option B is the correct answer. A is a sector, B is a quadrant, and C is a segment. So you have to follow the order. You can see that option A is similar to what we have in option B, but the arrangement is very, very important in this case. So A is a sector, B is a quadrant, and C is a segment. Take note of that. Question 8. The quadrilateral that can be formed when points A, B, C, and D are joined is, the correct answer is rectangle, which is option D is rectangle. So whenever we want to construct a rectangle, when we are given the diagonal of the rectangle and a length of side, we use this method. So the correct answer is option D, rectangle. Question 9. A polygon with internal angles of 135 degrees is, the correct answer is option B, which is octagon. So if you want to confirm it, just find the sum of interior angles of octagon, divide the result by 8. The sum of interior angles of octagon is 10,080. 10,080. Divide 10,080 by 8, it will give you 135. Question 10. what will be the size of a plot of land measuring 50 meters by 30 meters on a scale of 1:50 millimeters? So what you need to do in this case is to convert 50 meters to millimeters, which will give you 50,000 millimeters, and then 30 meters to millimeters, which will give you 30,000. Then 50,000 millimeters by 50 millimeters will give you 1,000 to give you 1,000. Then 30,000 millimeters by 50 millimeters will give you 600. So from the list of the options that we have, the correct answer is option A. That is the correct answer for question 10. Now, question 11 says that parallelogram ABCD below is reduced to AB prime C prime D prime in a ratio of, looking at what we have here, it is reduced in a ratio of 3:2. It is reduced in a ratio of 3:2. That is option B. Question 12. From the diagram below, which of the following are equal in area to each other? So the correct answer is that ABCD is equal in area to HGFD. So whenever we want to construct a square which is equal in area to a given rectangle, this is the method that we use. So the correct answer here is option E. That is the correct answer. Question 13. The diagram below describes dash to two equal circles. So it describes internal tangent to two equal circles. That is option B. That is option B. Question 14. In the ellipse drawn below, the major axis AB is equal to, the correct answer is option C. The major axis AB is equal to the sum of CF1 plus CF2. So the correct answer is option C. Question 15. Identify the locus formed at point B in the diagram below after a complete revolution of OA. So the correct answer is option E. It will form a vertical ellipse. It will form a vertical ellipse, not horizontal ellipse that we have in option A. It will form a vertical ellipse. That is option E is the correct answer. So question 16. Which of the following methods can be used in producing the development pattern of pyramids? The correct answer is radial line only. So whenever you want to produce the development pattern of pyramids, you make use of radial line only. Radial line only. Question 17 says that the lines labeled X and Y in diagram below are known as the true lengths. That is option A. They are known as the true lengths. Question 18 says that the diagram below is an elevation of a square prism intersecting a cone. Which of the following options shows the plan? So if we have a square prism that penetrates a cone, the correct answer as the plan, or the correct plan, is option C, as we have a square with its apex point showing in the circle. So the correct answer is option C. That is the correct answer. That is the plan of such components. Then question 19. The diagram below shows the plan of a cylinder intersecting a triangular prism. Identify the curve of interpenetration from the options below. So the curve of interpenetration from this option is option A. That is the correct answer. Question 18 says that which of the following is correctly dimensioned? Which of the following is correctly dimensioned? So looking at the set of options that we have the correct answer to be option C, is the correct answer. So that is well and correctly dimensioned. Question 21. The axis drawn below indicate that dash projection. It indicates isometric projection. That is option B. Question 22. The diagram below shows the axis of dash drawing. It shows the axis of oblique drawing. So one of the axis is inclined at an angle 45 degrees. So the correct answer is option C, oblique drawing. Now question 23. The intersection of ground plane and picture plane in perspective drawing is known as ground line. That is option C, is known as ground line. Okay. Question 24. Given the front elevation and plan of a hexagonal prism below, which of the following is the auxiliary elevation looking in direction of the arrow? So if you are looking in direction of the arrow, we are going to have the correct auxiliary elevation to be option A. That is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Question 25. The dash of a line in space is the point at which it intersects the vertical and horizontal planes. That answer is the trace. That is option C, is correct answer. So the trace of a line in space is the point at which it intersects the vertical and horizontal planes. So that is the correct answer. Option C is correct answer. That is the trace. So question 26. The figure below, from the figure below, identify the true length of line AB. So the true length of line AB is shown on the vertical plane. That is AB, which is option B, is correct answer. So when a straight line is parallel to a particular plane, its true length will be found on the plane to which it is parallel. So option B gives us the true length of line AB. Question 27. The path labeled T in the diagram below is dash plane. Is dash plane. So this is an inclined plane. Is an inclined plane. That is option C, is an inclined plane. So question 28. The front and end elevation of a block are given below in third angle projection. Identify the plan from the options below. Identify the plan from the options below. So looking at what we have here, so the correct answer is option D. So if you couple them together and you produce its isometric view, so you get option D to be the plan of the object. Question 29. Which of the following is the front elevation of the block drawn below? Which of the following is the front elevation of the block drawn below? So looking at the options that we have here, so the correct answer is option E. That is the correct answer. So if you look at the object and look at option E, you see that it is correct, because the hole, when we are looking at the object in the direction of the arrow, the hole will be hidden from us, and option E show it where that the hole is hidden. Question 30. The diagram below represents the floor plan of a story building. The part labeled X is a staircase. That is option C, the staircase. Then question 31. A working drawing should possess the following features, except that, if you look at what we have here, it should not contain, or it should not possess types and cost of materials to be used. It shouldn't contain that. So the correct answer is option A. So it will contain title block should be properly placed, correct types of lines should be properly used, and all views should be fully dimensioned. All views should be clearly drawn. So those ones are correct. So the option A should not be part of what should be found on a working drawing. So question 32. The part labeled Y in the diagram below is going. That is option E, is going. Question 33. Identify the part labeled Z in the diagram below. So the correct answer is the lintel, which is option C. That part is the lintel on the top of a window. Question 34. Freehand sketching can be done with the aid of, look at the set of options that we are given. So the answer is eraser, paper and pencil. Those are the materials that we need to perform a freehand sketching. Question 35. The diagram below illustrates the use of, so looking at what we have in the diagram, we have a knot. So this is the knot. Then we have a bolt. So from here down here is the bolt. Then we have a washer, which is this rectangular shape. So that is a washer. So the correct answer is option D, is the correct answer. So we have a bolt, we have a knot, and we have a washer. So question 36 says that the type of screw point drawn below is a conical screw. Is a conical screw point. So question 37. The type of pictorial drawing that shows location of different components of assembly is called exploded pictorial drawing. Exploded pictorial drawing. That is option D, is correct answer. Question 38. The following are graphic packages except the correct answer is option A, which is spreadsheet. Question 39. Identify the correct sectional view AA of the diagram below. So looking at what we have here, so the correct answer is option E, is the correct answer. Option E is the correct answer. Then we have question 40, which says that which of the following walls is correctly sectioned. So the correct answer is option A, is correctly sectioned. That is the right way of sectioning a wall or walls. Then question 41. The symbol sketched below is the conventional representation of Earth. It is conventional representation of Earth. So question 42. Which of the following symbols represent a filament lamp? So the correct answer is option C. That is the symbol for a filament lamp. Question 43. The symbol below represents a urinary. It represents a it will represent a urinal. So it will represent a urinal. So option B is the correct answer. Question 44. Which of the following professionals is responsible for producing building blueprints? So the correct answer is option E, which is architect. That is the correct answer. Question 45. The process of reproducing drawings that allows enlargement or reduction of the original document is known as Dassault printing. Dassault printing is the correct answer. Question 46. The following are true about blueprint reproduction except we have rapid production, low durability, low cost of production, color production, accurate production of unlimited copies. So the correct answer is low durability. So it can be used for a very, very long time. So question 47. The following are qualities that drawing equipment retailers should possess except being pessimistic. Such a person should be self-motivated, should possess persuasiveness spirit, and such person should be honest, and such person should have good communication skills. So the correct answer is he or she should not be pessimistic. He or she should be optimistic, in other words, or in other way. Okay, question 48. Graphics can be converted into hard copy with the aid of a printer. So we use a printer to convert a soft copy to hard copy by printing it out. So question 49. The following are advantages of CAD softwares, except that option A is mass produces similar copies, it's time consuming in nature, increases productivity of design, improve communication through documentation, create database for manufacturing. So the correct answer is it is time consuming in nature. It is not time consuming, okay, it is time consuming in nature. It is time consuming in nature. So that is the correct answer. So question 50, which is the last question. The AutoCAD symbol drawn below is found in dash command. This is found in modify command, and actually it is a mirror command. It's a mirror command. So this is the end of the questions, the objective questions for the year 2020 NECO pass question. Thank you for listening. God bless you.